Before we do anything, the most important step is to take this plug and we unplug it, and then we can start. Don't want to be playing with the dryer with this unit plugged in. Today I'm going to replace the thermal fuse in this Kenmore dryer. Okay, so the first step, I'm going to pull this thing out and pop that back panel off. I believe there's 6 or 8 small little screws back there, so can't see very well here, but I'm going to pull this out and we'll take her from there. In order to tell what model your dryer is, I mean, you can see the make, it's a Kenmore, but this one is really quite old. Probably, I'd say it's 20 plus years old. So when you open it up, there's a little tag on the inside, so you'll see your model and your serial number, and you'll need that to replace any parts on this one. So when I pulled my dryer out, I checked my venting pipe there, and there was a big kink in it. You can see where I tried to straighten it out a bit there, and that may be the culprit behind this fuse popping on me, because this only pops when the dryer gets too hot. Okay, so there it is. There's the part. It's a thermal fuse. There you go there. And I took it out, I popped it out, and you can see where it was right. This is where it was. Of course, obviously this is unplugged. This wouldn't be wise playing all this with this thing plugged in. So pulled it out, unplugged it. I did check to make sure there wasn't a blockage in there, and it was free. But I'm thinking that maybe it was too close to the wall there. So when I put this back in, I'm going to leave a little bit of room. But yeah, so you can see where this little fuse was. It's just one little screw there, and I'm gonna basically pop this in. This will just take a minute tops, and reconnect these 2 wires, and I'm gonna be good to go. Thermal fuse is in place. It's nice and tight. I'll just reattach these 2 wires and test it out. And we're tight. You don't want to go too tight. Okay, good. And good. And panel on. So there's six little screws here, and just this last little piece that protects your main wire. It slides in there. Actually, it slides in there like that. Last piece in. That just kind of goes into that little lip there. Screw here, screw there, and I'll reattach my vent. Slide her in and get her back to work. Dry her back, and we're good to go. Just kind of give her a quick back up and running. And what I did when I put it back, just to prevent it from getting too congested back there, I'll show you what I mean. I took just an old 2x4 that I had, and I pulled it out the width of the 2x4, and I have the 2 front legs of the dryer on that. And it's going to be a little dark back here. I don't have a light, but you can see that vent. There's lots of room there now, so it's not going to get all squished. And again, I'm not sure if that was my problem, but it could have been my problem, because this thing has to be able to have airflow. Anyway, time will tell.